Forgotten username recovery fail on Monzo US Fix. If your attempt to recover your Monzo US username keeps failing, here's the truth. You might be trying to recover something that does technically exist. Monzo, like many modern digital banks, doesn't use traditional usernames. Instead, your login is tied to your registered email address, which acts as your unique identifier. That's why username recovery attempts often fail. You simply need to confirm or reset access through your email, not a username. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open the Monzo app or visit the official Monzo website. Choose Log In, and then Can't Log In. When prompted, enter your registered email address. Monzo will send you a secure link that logs you directly into your account. There is no need to remember or recover a separate username. If you don't receive the login email, check your spam folder or any email filters that might block automated messages. Still nothing? Try any alternate email addresses you might have used when first setting up your account. Searching your inbox for Monzo can help identify which email is linked to your account. If you've changed your email or can no longer access it, you'll need to reach out to Monzo's support team directly. Use the in-app chat if accessible or go to their support page. Provide identifying information like your full name, phone number, and last known transactions so they can verify you and restore access securely. Most people get stuck here by retrying the recovery form multiple times, but the key is realizing that Monzo's system is email-based, not username-based. Once you focus on the right recovery path, you'll regain access in just a few minutes. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Monzo US, the fix is simple. Stop looking for a username and focus on verifying your registered email. That's your real key to getting back into your account and managing your finances smoothly again.